Hello! I'm going to be testing out the new butterfly today with the new alpha Starbuck firmware, which is supposed to be able to deal with bent props, prop wash oscillations and the like. So it should be lovely. We captured the footage after this. I had to re-record my intro because of the wind noise on site. Hopefully you enjoy.
Green has always won over any other color. Green rules. Green has always won over any other color. Green rules. Green has always won over any other color. Not black, the green.
Thoughts on the new Starbuck Alpha firmware. Flies amazingly, super smooth. Haven't been able to test any bent props yet, but we'll give that a shot later on, see how we go. Also been flying the rapid fire, which has been good, especially in these kind of areas. Alright, back into it, get some more flying done and enjoy it all. The last flight was done on this Gojira. Been a couple of props. Didn't notice anything in the FPV feed. So what we're going to do is we're going to bend the fuck out of these props, take it for a flight and see how it goes.
Green has always won over any other color. Not black, the green.
Thanks for coming along, I'll see you next time.